There's a reason why this country is called the land flowing with milk and honey. Let me quickly dispel some myths so that you will know that this country is where it is happening. This country pays the highest when it comes to minimum wages. In this country, it's one of the easiest when it comes to getting permanent residency and citizenship. This country is the land flowing with milk and honey. Forget about the videos you see where you see snakes and giant spiders. Yeah, no, it doesn't happen. No, it's not like that. This country is far from everywhere else. It takes probably about 24-26 hours to get to this country from Nigeria or Ghana. But this is where it is happening now. If you're interested, I'm going to show you how you can move here for free, absolutely free. So stick around because this video is for you.
Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
Hello folks, this is your one and only Wakawaka Doctor, always bringing you the best gist when it comes to travel and migration. You know how we do it on this channel. All we do is share information that has to do with traveling abroad. Remember, it's just travel and migration right here on this channel. If this is the first time of you coming across my channel, you want to do us a favor, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to like, give this video a thumbs up because we need it to reach more people. Share as well, okay? Testimonials always coming week in, week out, and it is proof, it's testament to the fact that we help people move abroad here and we don't change a dime for it. You just need to watch the video and follow step by step. Two quick things that I like to pass in all my videos. Number one, I'm not on Telegram and I'm not on WhatsApp. So if you do find anybody in the comment section saying you should reach out to them, it is not me. Number two is to say that a while ago I wrote a book titled Move Abroad by Force. And the idea behind this book is to be able to help you move abroad without the use of any agent. You don't need to spend money on agent. To acquire this book, just go to the description box of this video and you'll be able to get the link. It's about $5 or so, very affordable, and it has all the information you need about moving abroad. I also forgot to say that if you want to reach out to me, if you're looking for a way to contact me, check the description box of this video. This video has a description box where you find information about all the things we're talking about. Let me show you what it looks like. Can you see? Here, it shows you everything about this video and you can see clearly contact. That's it, contact Wakawaka Doctor. Click on the link and you'll be able to reach me. And we can talk for 30-40 minutes depending on how much you want to talk to me. Okay, let's dive into the gist of the day. Australia, I love Australia, the land of kangaroos. Well, Australia is where it is happening. Australia and New Zealand will soon become the migration hotspots, considering the fact that the United Kingdom and Canada are doing, anyhow. And I usually would tell people, I say, the best time to act is now. The second best time to act is now. Don't wait until policies change. Don't wait until you're trapped and you don't know what to do. Australia is so good because you can move with your family. And now I want to teach you how you can move for free. There are various scholarships that are open in Australia right now. But before I go into that, let me show you a few things. For Australia, there are several pathways, okay? Number one, you can move to Australia through the study route. Australia has study routes. You can do your bachelor's, you can do your master's. It is quite expensive. It is like the UK, but if you can afford it, that's a good one to go. Number two, Australia has permanent residency routes. You can apply for the skilled migration route. You can apply for this temporary skills route. They've got different visa types that you can find on this beautiful website. It is immi.homeaffairs.gov.au. Once you click on this website, this is what it brings out. It shows you everything about the different visa types and how to apply and all the requirements and eligibility criteria for all the visas when it comes to Australia. Australia has different permanent residency routes that you can take, so check out that website as well. Number three, Australia has vocational schools as well. So if you don't have a degree, Australia also has vocational schools that will take you. So quickly, before I tell you the gist of the day, I want you to share this video. Make sure you like, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you just share to as many friends as possible. I also want to tell you that there is a masterclass that I created just for you. A masterclass that you can buy that is very affordable, that will give you opportunities. You're in tech, you're looking for scholarships, you're looking for how to apply to jobs, you're an engineer, you're a teacher, you're a lawyer, you're in healthcare, you're in tech, you're looking to move to the United States for free. I got everything covered. You've applied for jobs, but they're not calling you. This masterclass has everything all. And I've created a special link in the description box of this video for you to be able to get that masterclass, okay? So go to the link and get the masterclass. Let's talk about what I want to talk to you today. It's about the scholarship, okay? Not even scholarship, they're scholarships. Because there are about 1,200 different scholarships. So it's, let me fix my glasses properly because it's scholarships. 1,200 scholarships. Remember that I always say for every scholarship you need the following documents. Make sure that you have your university degree if you're going for a master's. Have your university degree, have your university certificate, okay, if you're going for a master's. If you're going for a PhD, have your university certificate, have your university degree, have your master's transcripts, okay, have your master's transcript, and have your proposal as well. If you're going for undergrad, have your secondary school certificate, have your secondary school transcripts, and have your WAEC to also show, okay? And then you might need to write IELTS, you might need to write TOEFL, you might need to write GMAT, you might need to write GRE. It's optional, but it gives you a boost, okay? Now, get on your phone, get on your Google, and check this website. It's a beautiful website, and it's called scholarships.unimelb.edu. scholarships.unimelb.edu.au. Okay, it opens this beautiful scholarship board. It's the University of Melbourne, and you can see find your scholarship. You can see study, students, research, library, staff, alumni, giving, about, contact, find the scholarship guide. Now let's click on scholarship guide. If you click on scholarship guide, you would see that you are able to explore the guide, how it works, starting a new course, already enrolled, okay, application, submitting your application, finding the right opportunity. You can see the various eligibility criteria. You can see multiple scholarship application types. Everything is right here. But this is not my interest, so I'm going to go back to show you what I want to show you. Now you see this find your scholarship bar here. You can type in anything, but leave it. Now if you scroll down on your left, you can see right here where it says refine results by. So you can see that you've got open for automatic consideration, open for applications, opening soon, not open yet. So if you want to check the ones that are open right now, it is 169. All right, and you can choose your study stage. If your current study, future study, alumni, you can have that. Student type, international is what we're interested, of course. And you see level of study, 486 undergraduate, 219 honors, graduate research 477, and graduate coursework 712. And more importantly, if you scroll down to the area of study, you can see agricultural and veterinary sciences, architecture, arts and humanities and social sciences, business and economics, education, engineering, environment, health, infotech, law, science. Beautiful. Loads and loads of opportunities there. And you can see all the scholarships that it has. The Arthur Onyelasi Prize, and it says the application is open, closing 29th of August 2025, and it has up to $5,000 that they give to you. And you can see the Sarah Chic Award. It's not open yet, which means that you have to put an eye, you have to always check, but they give $10,000, as you can see. You have the John Beaton Prize, automatic consideration, $2,500. Ballot Family Prize ovation. You see, it's a lot like that. Okay. Now let us make use of the refined results so that I'll show you how to apply by yourself. So go back now check the refined results. Let's click. Okay, we want open for application. All right. Let's say future study. Okay. International students. Okay, click on international students, and let us leave it like that. Okay, let's just leave it like that. Depending on, you can choose, you know, the area of study you want. Each area of study, you can see that they've got different types, but I can see 17 results here, and I'm going to choose the Ormond College scholarships. The Ormond College scholarship, they offer you financial assistance to students who face economic barriers impacting on their ability to reside at the college. And you can see the application is open now, and they give $5,000 to $36,000. So let's click on it. Okay, let's click on it to see what's there. And this says the scholarship, Ormond College scholarship, application is required. It's open. Benefit amount $5,000 to $36,000. Eligible study, undergraduate, honors, graduate coursework, graduate research. Okay, the duration is for 1 or more years. Eligibility study, future study and current study, and eligible student type, domestic and international students. You can see the summary, you can see the benefits, you can see the application. And the application, they are only giving to 50. You can see on your right hand side quantity 50. And now here it's written how to apply. So undergraduate, if you're undergraduate, you click on undergraduate. If you're graduate, you click on graduate. So let's click on graduate. Once you click on the graduate, it will open another section of the website where it now shows you the financial assistance. Okay, it tells you the eligibility and the application process. Okay, any student who believes they require financial assistance to come to Ormond should apply via the application form at the bottom of this page, available during open application timelines. Students make one application for financial assistance, and college then determines which scholarship or combination of scholarships you'll be eligible for. Okay, so if you go to the bottom of the screen, and what's also more important is you can also see that there are other scholarships, okay, in particular fields of study. Dr. Marilyn Moraine, Women Medical Scholarship, Peter Carroll, there are lots of them. You can go through it as well. So the next thing you want to do is that you go to the bottom of the screen and you click on that important links. You will see how to apply. Click on how to apply, and then it opens up a page which says the application is now open. How to apply. You can watch the YouTube video if you want. If you watch the YouTube video, it's a 2-minute video, and this is what you see.
Everything you need to know about applying to join the Ormond College community.
I am not going to play a lot of the video for copyright reasons, but that is exactly what you're going to see. Now, you can see the process is highlighted below. It says that step 1 is to apply to Ormond College, which you can do. There's a link there that shows you how to apply. You complete the online form. You pay the application fee of $75. You attend an interview and wait for the application. I always tell people, if you want to get free something, you must give something. They are giving you $5,000 to $36,000. So don't come and tell me, but they want application fee. You will not pay application fee. You don't want to pay application fee of $75 to give yourself a chance of reaching $36,000. People that complain are people that think that they don't stand a chance. What is there to pay $75 to get? If you want to gain something, you will definitely have to give something. Okay? And I don't see a reason why you should not write IELTS to increase your chances or boost your chances. And please learn how to write a good motivational letter. Why do you want to go to Ormond College? Why do you want to study in Australia? What will be the benefit of this course? Why should we give you our money and say come and study for free? What is the benefit? These are the things you need to ask yourself and write. Learn, watch YouTube videos about how to write a motivational letter that is capable of winning you a scholarship. Guys, why is it that you do not subscribe to my YouTube channel? Why? I'm providing information to help you move abroad, yet I find that so many people watch my videos, but they don't subscribe to it. Yes, when I check my analytics, I see that a lot of people use my videos, but they don't subscribe. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you drop comments so that I can interact with you and I can answer your questions. Okay, what should I do? What do you want me to do before you? Should I kneel down? Should I beg you? Should I roll on the floor? I can do it easily. All right. We're just trying to help more people. So please just subscribe to my videos. Okay, share them. Let's help more people move abroad. Thank you. So once you get to the bottom of the page, you submit your application, and that is it. That is it. That is the end. So this is the page that I want you to sleep on, and I want you to check. You can see that it has more than 1,000 different scholarships. You can see that it has about 1,400 different scholarships. You can choose from various spheres of life, whether it's arts and humanities, whether it's science and tech, whether it's health, whether it's engineering, it's got it. So the website, again, like I said, is scholarships.unimelb.edu.au. I don't need to show for undergraduate, it's the same thing. You just need to follow the same steps like I told you. So this is a quick video. I don't like to waste your time. I've told you what you need to do, and I'm hoping that it has helped you in a way to maximize, your potential. Moving abroad is a big deal, and I think that everybody deserves to see what abroad looks like once in their lifetime. Till I see you again, it's your one and only Wakawaka Doctor, and I'm signing out.